What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Ron and welcome to my channel where we talk about entrepreneurship and content creation as well. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download Final Cut Pro X for free. That is right, for free. You don't have to pay for anything. And this is going to be the 90-day trial, so that's about 3 months, okay? You can use this for 3 months however you would like. I know a lot of you guys are tired of using all these paid softwares. Well, I know y'all tired of iMovie, so bye iMovie and hop on this Final Cut Pro X. If you have a Windows computer or any other computer that is not an Apple computer, then this will not work for you. This is only Apple. This is an Apple app. You can only use this if you have Apple device. All right, so the first thing you want to do is first hop on Google. You want to go on Google right now, okay? That's what we're gonna do. Let me open this up. We're gonna go on Google and you're gonna type Final Cut Pro free trial. You're gonna type that. Now the first thing that pops up, you're gonna see apple.com. Once you see apple.com and of course Mac Final Cut Pro, it's gonna like already detect your computer and all that good stuff. So you're gonna click on that free trial. That's what you're gonna click on. Now this page right here should pop up. If you don't see this page right here pop up, then you're on the wrong page. I'm gonna make sure to leave this link in the description below so you don't have to do all the typing and all that good stuff. Just click on the link I'm gonna leave for you guys. All right, here all you're gonna do is download now. I'm telling you right now. So let's say if you have an older version Mac, I don't think you're gonna be able to download this right here. This is maybe because every year they renew this thing. I mean, every month, every other. I don't know when they renew, but they renew this thing a lot. So all you have to do is download this, and once it downloads, then that is it. You go ahead and run the program, and your Final Cut Pro will open. So I hope this video was helpful. I know it was a short video, but that's how easy it is to get Final Cut Pro X on your computer, on your Mac, iMac, whatever Apple device you have. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on social media at @ItsTheRun_. Appreciate y'all, love y'all, and I'm out. Whoop.